So we have something awesome. It came in the mail yesterday. We got everything set up. I had to fix it, and it's time to go do it. We can't do it in the backyard. Well, we shouldn't because of that tree, this tree, not to mention quite a few windows. So let's go find a better place to do this. This is gonna be cool. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Okay, finally got everything ready. Everything's nice and kosher. We are gonna take the bike to a little area where we're gonna be able to fly these. Can you guess? There was a huge hint. You know, something about this just doesn't seem right. That's right. You need eye protection to ride a motorcycle in Colorado. Let's do this thing! There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. You can go a little faster. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Okay, Kaden, now that we have arrived at our area, what are we doing?
We're gonna fly our drone.
But not the drone that you guys know, that a lot of people know. We're gonna fly what's called an FPV drone. Now these things are awesome and incredibly quick. A lot of them actually can hit 90, 100 miles an hour pretty easily. We recently got 2 of them. I think Kanan spent, what, 20 minutes on the simulator?
Yeah.
With an Xbox controller, so not even the controllers we're flying with. And I think I've spent maybe an hour. So let's crash some drones. Yeah?
Yeah.
He just told me he wants me to go first. He's nervous. I'm incredibly nervous as well. This is new ground. New ground for sure. I think originally I'm just gonna start off line of sight. I'm not even gonna put the goggles on. So with FPV, you fly as the drone, so you have goggles that you put on. I'm not going to do that initially. We each only have 1 pack, so I think combined we have 40 minutes, maybe 20 minutes of flight time. Okay, we made it to the shade. Oh, time to crash a drone. I think a fall angel just walked by. Okay, while Kanan is getting that ready, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why I decided to get an FPV drone and what the heck this means for the channel. So ultimately, the reason I got an FPV drone is because I got sick and tired of all of the people that are posting van life videos having the same boring, flat, rising landscape shot, landscape to the right shot, van underneath shot. And I came across some people that were doing it different. They were FPV pilots, they were these guys, and incredibly talented at that. And they are doing some amazing, amazing stuff. And that's why I decided I wanted to do this. So, looks like Kanan is done, as he is now on his phone. And it's ready for flight number 1, I guess. Oh, I'm nervous. So the grass is a little tall. We need something that's like good to launch off of. Kanan thought a rock, but that rock looks pretty small. Might need something bigger. I don't know, let's see. Oh yeah, we need something way bigger. Maybe that'll work. Just walk by. Oh. There goes a sight from my soul. One of my props wasn't spinning at the same rate as all the rest, one of these back ones. So I wonder if it wasn't tight enough. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put goggles on. Time to get bionic. Now I don't know where the controller is. There it is. Okay guys, hope you liked that short little video. I know I'm going to be doing a drone video with our progression. Did you just lose it?
Yeah, it's somewhere over there.
He lost it already. Apparently it went down like in the grass somewhere.
Hi, did I?
You didn't fall too far. How many times you crashed today, Kanan?
Like 4 times.
He crashed 4 times. I think I legitimately crashed, what, twice? Zero throttle does mean, like, the props don't spin, so it doesn't level. But we have it on some setting to where you can't, like, do flips. But then you can set it to stunt mode. You can flip, but you, like, full stick deflection and it flips for you. We need to figure out how to turn that off so that it's full acro. Other than that, I had a lot of fun. What do you think, Kanan?
It's great.
A+?
Yeah. I had so much fun.
Yeah? Good, good. We'll have to get yours up and running. This little guy, this little ESC right here, is dead. This ESC has a hard time spinning, this little thing. So we may have to end up replacing both of those at some point. And I broke my little solder job that I did. It's kind of a stupid way to put that, but okay. Time to head back. Here we go. Like, comment, subscribe. These drone videos will get better. I promise.